Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to use case statement using bash script on Rocky Linux 9.2. The bash case statement is the simplest form of if elif else conditional statement. The case statement simplifies complex conditions with multiple different choices. The statement is easier to maintain and more readable than nested if statements. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Next, I am going to create a script file named kscript.sh by using Vim text editor. .sh is an extension of bash script. Press I to insert mode. In the first line, I am going to add shebang symbol /bin/bash, which is used to instruct the operating system to use bash as a command interpreter. Next, I am going to enter the script to check which character type the user has entered. Close the script using reverse case letter. After completing the script, save and exit from the file. Next, I'm going to give the executable permission for the script file. Next, I'm going to long list the files. This is our script file with executable permissions. Now I'm going to execute the script by using // command. Now I'm going to enter lowercase letter. It shows you have entered a lowercase character. Again run the script. Now I'm going to enter uppercase letter. It shows you have entered a uppercase character. Again run the script. Now I'm going to enter number. It shows you have entered a digit. Again run the script. Now I'm going to enter the special character. It shows you have entered a special character. Again run the script. Now I am going to enter multiple character. It shows you have entered multiple character. By this way, you can use case statement using bash script on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.